Yo, welcome back to the channel, boys. Today is the 6th of October and I am back. Almost a month since my last ride actually. So it's good to be back on the saddle and good to be back to bring you yet another episode. And I do apologize that I am falling back on the motovlogs. And man, I'm telling you, editing and piecing videos together really do take a lot of time. But hey, not complaining. I'm doing what I enjoy. And I promise to catch up with the edits. So in today's episode, we are starting a bit late because it was a heavy downpour early morning. Kind of just subsided, but the roads are still wet. Fingers crossed that the weather will be good for the rest of the day. So your boy here has not been riding for a while because he went on an overseas trip recently to Korea. You know the thing about how many people rave about Korean fried chicken? And so I went there with certain expectation, and boy, I must tell you that it fell short by a mile. Kinda got back home really disappointed. So why am I talking about fried chicken? Because today we are headed up north to Segamat to have some fried chicken.
I love fried chicken.
So we're gonna head out to this place called McDota. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint. But hey, even if it disappoints, it's a motorcycle ride, man. No ride ever disappoints anyone, right? So yeah, let me clear the two borders and I'll see you guys when I'm across the... Morning! Right, let's go. Breakfast stop next. Alright, we have arrived at Asalam, the Kedai Mama. Approaching another plaza toll. And a shot. Family emergency. My friends have officially ditched me. I don't even see them in the horizon. I'm trying to play catch up now. Exit 242 towards Yong Peng. Roger. Roger. Can go left if you want. Selamat datang daerah Segamat. Let him go first. Impressive how fast the CRV can go. Where is he going? He's going to the masjid. See? Oh no, he's not. Wow, he cut through the petrol kiosk so he doesn't have to wait. scenery, man. Right, quick rest stop at this Petronas somewhere along Labis. This signboard got so many things to read. Need to stop by the side and read, sir. Let's go left, boys. There's another police car behind. Hey brother, why are you in the middle of the lane? Cowboy! Left arrow is red. Always confused with Malaysian traffic. It's like there's no such thing as watch and learn. Okay, we are almost there. We are turning right. So this is our destination, McDota at Segamat. This is the place we wanted to check out. Right, that was a good one over at Ayam Goreng McDota. Brings back memories though, this place. For those of you old enough, you'll know that Singapore used to have an outlet. My age is definitely telling. Be careful. Nak isi penuh bang? Tak, yang hijau. Right, this is us leaving Segamat. Mic test, mic test. You cannot hear me, So yeah, we are at Yong Peng. We never really explore Yong Peng, Always pass through je. Yong Peng Walk. Right, edging in back to the highway. Quick rest stop. We're about 20 minutes away from our supper spot. What's he calling? It's like holding some metal rod, Oh, there they are, the RXZ boys. It's a different bunch, yeah. Towards Bukit Indah. Anyway, we have arrived at Muas Burger. We are done with our supper. It's about 8 p.m. and we are heading back home now. It's quite a chill ride today. (8:30 p.m) Let's see how the jam is. Hang on. Just like that, we are back home. Alright boys, this is me. Alright, till our next ride. Thanks for today. So that's me parting with my friends. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the vlog because I enjoy making them. I'll see you boys on the flip side. Good night everyone.